Hey guys, we are in Brandon, in the forest. I'm with my friend Nick and we're just exploring. So, not far back, we were just exploring this, well, it was like a repairs shop thingy and it was over there. And there was some old cars back there. There was some like Lexus, Jag, Toyota. Definitely sort of like 80s cars, ones I hadn't seen before. Could go back there at some point in this video to show you guys because I think it's pretty interesting. But for now, we're just walking through.
Cool.
Yeah, that is a nice view. It's a nice day. Okay, so we've come to this bit, and
oh look, there's people.
yeah, there's people up there as well. This goes like,
It's like a massive trap.
yeah, it's like in a cross, sort of. I'm thinking we go up there because there's a building, and I want to check it out. I want to see what's up there. There are some people coming up this way from there. So I want to see what this building's about. Just zoom in. It's over there.
It doesn't look abandoned.
Yeah, it doesn't. I wonder what it is. Almost there. You can see it much better now. But we are very close to this mysterious building. I can see more people down there.
Yeah, that's a far away, isn't it?
Yeah, it looked much closer from over there, from where we came. It's weird. It's very interesting. We've come across a sign, and we're also really close to this building now. Here's the sign: Brandon Country Park. There is a car park. Here is a
weird thing.
gravel path and a strange. Oh, it's a bench. But there's a strange thingy. What is this?
Oh.
It's like a weird.
There's gaps in it.
Yeah, it's quite tall as well.
Yeah. We'll probably be respectful and walk on the path.
Yeah, we're very close to this building now. So.
Fuck, what was that? Like a 15-minute walk?
Yeah. There's another thing there, like a twirly pole.
Yeah.
That's weird. Anyway, I'll talk to you when we get to the building. There's a river.
Or not river, a lake.
Oh yeah, it's more of a lake. Now, I'm thalassophobia, so I'm a bit on edge right now. But there's the building, and it doesn't look as big from here. We're still not too sure what it is though. There are some people, there's some ducks in the pond, that lake, whatever. This really isn't helping my phobia here. Danger, deep water.
Thin ice.
That,
Fancy ice.
this reassures me, right, that this is deep water, and if I step in it, I'm going to drown. So, we made it to the building. It's actually a nursing home. Not as exciting as I thought it would be, but it is a pretty building. This park is really pretty on its own. I'm glad we came all the way out here, honestly. It's really nice. But I think we should start heading back, yeah. So, right, so here we are with all the old cars. Now I just wanted to have a look at this front bumper that I didn't notice. It appears to be like a Ford Focus.
Ford Fiesta, I'd say.
Yeah, Fiesta. Next to the Nissan Micra and this old Lexus. Just over here,
That's a full Focus ST.
Oh yeah.
Really rare.
Oh, look at the inside.
Gutted it.
ST170. Stick shift. We have a Hyundai and a Toyota Carina. Unfortunately, the Toyota is an automatic, but it's still a cool looking car. There's a Rover here. Oh, I didn't see this. This appears to be an old Seat. Bumper removed. Yellow calipers. Yep. It's a Seat Cupra. The exhaust looks nice on that. It's a Seat Cupra. Ibiza maybe, I don't know. Not good with Seats. It's been absolutely torn to shreds, look at that. Over here we have a Jaguar. A Sovereign? I've never heard of this before. But it looks really clean. And just here is an old Mercedes.
Fortnite Battle Pass. I just shit out my ass. Booted up my PC.